You got game day snacks, but then you have the OG DC chili dog that'll steal the show. Let's make a half-smoked showboat. Watch this. We're starting with the chili. Heat up some oil in a Dutch oven. Next, we're going to toss in our roughly chopped onions. Let them saute for 3 to 4 minutes or until they're soft. Next, add the garlic, because no good chili starts without garlic. Let that cook down for a minute. Now it's time to add the beef. Add 2 pounds of ground beef and cook down until it's fully brown. Break it up so it cooks and blends perfectly with the chili sauce. Once your beef is browned, stir in some tomato paste and a can of diced tomatoes with all the juice. This is where the flavors start to come together, y'all. Now it's time for the star of the show, my big chili style seasoning. 3 tablespoons is all you need. No guessing, no stressing, it's all in the bag. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Mix that all up, pour in some beef broth, bring it to a simmer. Once it's bubbling, cover the pot and let it cook on low and slow for 45 minutes. While that chili's working its magic, let's talk about half smokes. While that chili's working its magic, let's talk about the half smokes. These dogs are a mix of pork and beef, and they're all about that char. Preheat your cast iron skillet and lay these beauties down. Let them cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side, pressing lightly to get that crispy, caramelized exterior. Set those to the side, and now let's build this showboat. Start with your steamed buns arranged neatly in a casserole dish. This is that showboat style, perfect for game day or any party. Next, add your half smokes, one at a time to each bun. Now you can dress up your dogs the way you want, but we're gonna do it classic Ben's chili bowl style. This brings me back to DC, thinking about go-go music, U Street late nights, and that Ben's chili bowl holding it down for decades. Next, we're gonna dress these dogs with a nice slather of yellow mustard. And no, ketchup does not belong on these dogs. Next, top it with some finely chopped white onions. We're keeping it classic, y'all. This is how it's done. Then finally, we're gonna get to that chili. Now that chili's been marinating, it's time to be generous, y'all. Each dog deserves a big old ladle of that rich, savory goodness. This is what makes that half-smoked showboat special. You can pair this with some classic French fries or keep it real DC with some Ruffles potato chips. And there it is, y'all. The half-smoked chili dog showboat, the DC way. This dish is perfect for game day, and it brings all the flavors and history of U Street to your table. To get this full recipe, visit my site, UncleDibbz.com. Let's eat, shawty.
That's good, shorty.